Have mortgage rates peaked? Hi, I'm John Ray with Berkshire Hathaway Gateway Real Estate. It is time for our monthly market report. But before I get into that, I wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah. Let's celebrate the season in harmony with each other, regardless of our individual views. After all, this is a season of peace and glad tidings. It looks like mortgage rates have peaked in October, dropped in November, and are likely to slip a bit in December as inflation cools. They might go up some weeks and in some months, but the overall trend is expected to be downward through 2024. The Fed's final monetary policy meeting of the year will end on December the 13th, and I am filming this video ahead of that date. The Fed is expected to leave short-term interest rates alone. If the Fed hints after the meeting that it's seriously thinking about raising rates again, mortgage rates could rise in the upcoming months. Three prominent organizations have predicted that mortgage rates will be higher in the final 3 months of this year than they were in the previous 3 months. All three, Fannie Mae, the Mortgage Bankers Association, and the National Association of Realtors, predicted that mortgage rates would reach their peak in the fourth quarter of this year and drop throughout 2024. And from what has happened in October and November, I am hopeful that we have seen the peak of mortgage interest rates. If you have any questions about what's going on in the real estate market in our state or in our local area, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is below, and I'm here to help. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.